How's it going, everybody? So today we are going to be decorating a mug using Cricut Infusable ink transfer sheet. So first thing we're going to do is open up our Cricut design space, and we're going to look up mug design setup 12 ounce because we are using a 12-ounce mug. So this is the project template that I like to use. In the finished size section, it actually gives us options for what kind of edge you can use. So for example, here is a ripped edge. Let me show you another example, like the zigzag edge. So that's what it's going to look like if you use zigzag. For this project example, I am just going to go with the small wavy edge. And one thing I do like to double check is the mug size. So I want to make sure that we have the right mug size for this project. So this one, it says 12 ounce, which is perfect because we are using a 12-ounce mug. Then here it actually gives us a guide. So this shows you kind of an idea. So if you're holding the mug with your left hand, it kind of gives you an idea of where to put the design. You would put it right here, and that's what you would see. And then here on the other side, if you're holding the mug with your right hand, and if you look at the mug, you'd want to put your design here. And here, of course, is the center. So let's make a design, something simple. I'm just going to put "What's up, Sidious?" So that's Star Wars. So let's resize this. Let's change the font. So let's pick something like, just going to go with this one right here. That looks good. And let us change the size as well. I'm just going to go with 66 because of order 66. Alright, so that's good. Let me copy this one and put it on the other side as well. Just a spacing a little bit. And then let us highlight everything. We're going to select all objects. We're going to attach them together. And then let's go ahead and save our project. Alright, once our project is saved, we can go ahead and click Make on the upper right corner. We're going to be using a mat, a 12 by 12 inch mat. And we want to make sure to turn on mirror. So mirror should be turned on. Click Continue. We're using Infusable ink transfer sheet. And then I'm just using default pressure. Alright, now we can load our mat. And it's going to start cutting. Next, we can unload our mat. We're going to remove our sheet. Just going to peel it off. So once we have that removed, we are going to weed our design. So I'm not going to weed the sides yet. We'll save that for later. So now let's grab our mug. So as mentioned earlier, we are using a Cricut 12-ounce blank mug. There's other options too. So we're going to prep the mug. You can clean it with an alcohol wipe and then use a lint roller. That's what they recommend on the Cricut website. So once we have our mug prepped and ready to go, I'm just going to peel the edges here, the sides, because we are going to attach our transfer sheet. So I'm just going to attach it like that. We're going to stick it on. I do have transfer tape ready in case we need it, but looks like the sheet attached pretty good. So I won't be using any transfer tape for this one. The heat transfer tape. So now we're going to put it in our mug press. We're going to pull the lever down. It's going to start heating up. And once it's done, we're going to lift up the lever. I'm just going to turn off the machine since we're not doing any other mugs. We're going to let it cool down. Then we can remove our sheet here. And this is the result. So what's up, Sidious? Very simple. Nothing fancy. You can definitely do like shapes and silhouettes and stuff too. But turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.